Hey guys, so today I'm coming to do a demo for the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation by NYX. I don't need any more foundation. I have about 4 or 5 right now that I barely use, but I'm a girl and I just wanted to pick this up because it's my birthday month and I celebrate my birthday the whole month, and I said if I want it, I'm gonna get it. But y'all know I'm on this whole like minimalistic type of lifestyle. Like, I don't really want more than what I need in my life at this point in my life, and I don't really need this, but I'm glad I picked it up because it's an exact match for my skin. And sometimes you just gotta enjoy yourself. You just gotta pick up what you want. It was over $20 here. In America, it's like what, $12 or something? It's like a lot of things are more expensive here in the Middle East. They're marked up. I'm assuming maybe because of the import fees. You know, it's just crazy how cosmetics are so super expensive here in the Middle East, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get right into the demo. I am going to be using my beauty blender. I love this. I love I love my beauty blender. Like, what would life be? Now, if you want more coverage, you can use a brush, but I'm going to use my beauty blender because I love it so much. Now, sometimes I squeeze it on the back of my hand. Sometimes I squeeze it on the sponge. Today, I'm just going to squeeze it on my face, and I'm just going to dot it around, you know. And what I like about this foundation, it does like dry down to like a matte. But what I like about it is it's my perfect skin color, as you can see. Like, it's perfectly matching me. And I also feel like you don't need a lot of it. I feel like it has really good coverage. Really good coverage. And I'm not really trying to cover a lot on my face, but I do have, you know, dark circles. And sometimes I have a breakout, so I like to use a foundation that can cover any type of hyperpigmentation that I do have. So as you can see, it is covering beautifully. And it does dry down matte. Some people said it's super drying. I don't find it to be super drying. As I've gotten older, my T-zone has gotten very oily, and so I think I still love dewy foundations. I still like my skin to look kind of glowy and, you know, like skin. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a mask. I don't think that's attractive for the everyday woman. You know, that's cute for YouTube, that's cute for fashion shows, that's cute for events, but that's not cute in real life. You know, that cake base. You kind of want your skin to look like skin. And you just want to look like you have beautiful skin. But I am going to put on concealer because I don't get enough sleep. But y'all, look at that. It's my exact match. It's so pretty. It's just, I'm going to use my Avon concealers because I absolutely love these. I think I've done a video on my Avon concealers. Have I? If not, I just need to do a video on this. I will. But I use two. I use dark and I use deep. So I go in with dark first because it kind of has an orangey undertone. And so I use that for my dark circles and around my nose, because sometimes I get dark around my nose and I use it in those areas. Then I go in with deep just because I want to lighten it up a little bit, almost have like a highlight effect under my eyes. These are creamy. They are inexpensive. They are really good quality. I will link these in the description box. You need these Avon concealers. So I'm just getting under my eyes. Foundation. I will set under my eyes with the Kat Von D, what is this? translucent powder. I am not going to set the foundation on my face because I don't feel like I need to, because it's a matte foundation. It dries down matte. Be careful with setting powder. I know y'all see people cake it on, but in real life, that could look really crazy. So go easy with your setting powder under your eyes. All right, I'll let that sit for a second. And now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna go into my Patreon community and do my eyes, because I love to show the girls what I'm doing with my eyes every day. Not every day, but how I like to do my everyday eyes. And I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty palette, so I'll be back with my face done to give you my final thoughts on this foundation. All right, so I did my eyes in my exclusive Patreon community. If you want to be a part of a community where we talk about fashion, self-esteem, leveling up, join us, or just support. We need your support to keep growing. I like simple eyes. It looks like I did something, but I did absolutely nothing. I used this Huda palette. So yeah, if you're in my Patreon community, make sure you go to the private Facebook group and watch me do my eyes. Now let's talk about the other products that I picked up. I picked up 2 brushes that were very expensive. NYX is supposed to be affordable, not here in the Middle East. So I picked up this brush right here. It doesn't have a number, so I don't know what number it, oh yes it does, 24. And I don't have a brush like this, so I decided to pick this up for contour, highlight, things of that nature, and powder. And I also picked up number 32, and this is just a blending brush. And I use this today to do my eye look. And I really like it. It's really time for me to replace a lot of my brushes. So I used this today, and like I said, I like it. I also purchased this blush in Mauve and Out. So that's the blush that I picked up from NYX, and I'm going to apply it right now. Look how pretty that is. Very feminine and girly, and it just adds like a beautiful flush to the cheeks. You see that? That's so beautiful. This was over $10 in American dollars, but I think it's like $3 in America. And look how pretty that is. So I highly recommend this one. I'll link it below. And I also picked up Born to Glow because I felt like I needed a new highlighter. So I picked up Born to Glow. Let me swatch it. It's sort of like a rose gold color. It's absolutely beautiful. I can see using this on my lids. I will do that one day. Yeah, I will do that. I like to use highlighters on my lids sometimes, so I can see using this on my lids and then going in the crease with like a brown. And I'm gonna highlight. Ooh. And it's not like glittery or has like those glitter flecks. I really hate highlighters like that. That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do my lip now. Listen, the name of this lipstick is in French, so I will leave it in the description box below because I don't speak French. This is the NYX Powder Puff Lippy. And I do have a video on the Powder Puff Lippies. I don't think I included this one. I think this is the one that I eliminated. I had some oil on my lips. I probably should have, like I use this lip oil that I love. Oh, let me talk about this. This is the NYX This Is Everything lip oil. If you have extremely dry lips, honey, you need this, okay? You need that in your life. So I put this on first, but I should have wiped it off because really you don't need a lip oil or anything with this. It's matte, but it goes on very, very smooth. And it's such a pretty color. Look how pretty that is, honey. All right, guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed my demo of the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. It is a matte foundation. You see it's settled in now. I did not set my face with any type of powder. You can see that it's very beautiful. It doesn't cling to any dry spots on my skin. It matches me perfectly. My skin, it just feels like my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. I think it lasts pretty well. I've wore it for a couple of days, and by the end of the night, my oil is breaking through, but not like really bad. And so I really do like this. I would highly recommend you go try this out. I think there's like over 40 shades, right? I'll leave a link to the website. Go look at the website, go look at the colors, figure out maybe what color you are. If you have a store, go to the store. We have an NYX store here, so I was able to go into the store, play around with the foundations. The girls were getting on my nerves so bad because they kept saying, do you need help? Do you need help? And they were being kind and nice, but no, I don't need your help. I know how to match my own foundation, honey. I know how I want my foundation to look, so I don't need your help. But they were being sweet. But anyway, yeah, so that's it, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. I know y'all want to see a skincare video. It's coming. I know. I change up and switch up my skincare, so that video is coming. More level up videos are coming. More style videos are coming, honey. I got lots coming. So yeah, but let me know what you want to see on my channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.